Which indoor plants are actually good for low light? Simple question, but you need to dig a bit to find the best options. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 picks that will thrive even in the darkest corners of your home. Product number 1, Live Pothos Plants 4PK. Let's kick things off with the Live Pothos plants from Plants for Pets. Priced at $24.99, this 4-pack caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 5,700 reviews and a solid 4.1-star rating. If you want hardy plants that can thrive on neglect, this is worth a serious look. They're about 8–10 inches tall and come in a variety of types, including Marble Queen and Neon Pothos. This means you can add some variety and color to your space without worrying about constant upkeep. Plus, they're fantastic air purifiers, improving your indoor air quality while making your home look lush and inviting. Now, some people complained about receiving smaller plants than they expected. Here's the thing though, they do grow quickly and can be easily propagated, which means you'll have even more plants in no time. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner plant parent looking for something that's low maintenance and stylish. Skip this one if you prefer larger, more mature plants right out of the box. For $24.99, it's a great value. Now, if the idea of smaller plants wasn't what you were looking for, this next option might actually be even better for a more polished look. Product number 2, Costa Farms Indoor Houseplants 3-pack. Next up is the Costa Farms Live Indoor Houseplants 3-pack, priced at $30.96. This set has over 22,800 reviews and maintains a solid 4-star rating. What grabbed my attention is how these plants are curated for easy maintenance, making it ideal for anyone who feels overwhelmed by plant care. Each plant is low maintenance and can thrive in low light, which means you can enhance your home decor without the stress of constant care. Plus, they're designed to purify the air, which is an added bonus for your health. Now, some buyers mentioned that the plants arrived a bit stressed from shipping. Here's the thing though, they typically bounce back quickly once they're settled into their new environment, so don't let that discourage you. This is perfect for you if you want a beautiful selection of plants without needing a green thumb. Skip this one if you're looking for high-maintenance exotic plants. At $30.96, it offers great value for a variety of easy care options. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're all about that sleek design. Product number 3, Costa Farms Snake Plant. If you're after something a bit more chic, check out the Costa Farms Snake Plant. Priced at $22.41, this plant has a 4.1-star rating with over 10,100 reviews. What really stands out is its striking architectural shape, making it a perfect fit for modern decor. This plant is known for being nearly indestructible. It can thrive in low light and doesn't require much water, which means you can literally set it and forget it. Plus, it's a powerful air purifier, helping to filter toxins while adding a touch of elegance to your space. Its upright leaves make it a great choice for tight spots where you want a bit of height without taking up too much room. Now, some folks have said that it can take a while to grow taller. Here's the thing though, its beauty and air purifying benefits make it worth the wait, especially for a low-maintenance option. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish plant that requires minimal care. Skip this one if you need quick results in terms of plant size. At $22.41, you're getting a beautiful, long-lasting addition to your home. Now, if you want something with a more lush appearance, this next plant is definitely worth considering. Product number 4, Monstera Adansonea. Next, let's talk about the California Tropicals Monstera Adansonea, priced at $17.20. With a 4.3-star rating from 1,200 reviews, this plant really surprised me with its tropical charm. It's perfect for those who want to bring a lush, exotic feel into their home. The Monstera features stunning heart-shaped leaves that can grow quite large, making it a striking focal point. Plus, it's also known for its air-purifying qualities, which means it's not just pretty, it's functional too. The fact that it's low maintenance makes it an excellent choice for beginners or anyone who wants a simple addition to their space. Now, some people noted that it can be sensitive to cold weather. Here's the thing though, as long as you keep it in a climate-controlled space, it'll flourish beautifully. This is perfect for you if you want an eye-catching plant that feels tropical and vibrant. Skip this one if you live in an area with extreme temperature fluctuations. At $17.20, it's a steal for a beautiful statement piece in your collection. If you're looking for something even more colorful, you'll love what's next. Product number 5, Rattlesnake Calathea. Last but not least, let's check out the Rattlesnake Calathea. At $21.99, this plant has a 4.2-star rating from over 1,100 reviews. Its unique pattern and colors really caught my eye, making it a vibrant addition to any room. The Rattlesnake Calathea isn't just a pretty face, it's also an air purifier. It thrives in low light, which is perfect if you have a dim living area or office. The plant is known for its dramatic foliage and can make a stunning centerpiece on a table or shelf. Plus, it's relatively easy to care for, which is ideal for those who might be new to plant care. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit finicky with water, needing just the right amount. Here's the thing though, once you figure out its needs, it's a lovely plant that can add a lot of character to your home. This is perfect for you if you want a colorful, striking plant that can thrive in low light. Skip this one if you prefer plants that need less attention. At $21.99, it offers great beauty for the price. Alright, we've covered some fantastic options, but if you're still unsure about which plant to choose, let's wrap things up. To recap, we've explored the live pothos plants for their resilience, the Costa Farms indoor houseplants for variety, the chic snake plant for low maintenance, the tropical monstra for lush vibes, and the colorful Rattlesnake Calathea for that striking decor piece. Each one brings something unique to the table, ensuring you can find the perfect fit for your low-light space.